Hi, this is Nathan Robart with Keller Williams Realty. Today I'm in the private guard-gated community of Siena. This beautiful home has a gourmet kitchen, wide open layout, and your very own private built-in spa that overlooks the 7th hole of the Championship Siena Golf Course. So let's take a look. So what did you think? My personal opinion is, apart from the beautiful view of the golf course from the back patio, this model typically comes as a 2-bedroom home. The owners converted the den into an actual full 3rd bedroom with an access door out to the 3-car garage. Now the 3rd car garage stall has been pre-prepped to be converted into a 4th bedroom if that's something that you want. Again, this is Nathan Robart with Keller Williams Realty. I'd love the opportunity to show you this gorgeous home and this amazing community. Thank you again, and I'll talk to you very soon.